Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be solving a simple and a very interesting problem on linear combination. The problem here is on the board. It says express matrix A is equal to 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2 in the vector space of 2 by 2 matrix as a linear combination of B is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 1, 1, 0 minus 1, C is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 and D is 1 minus 1, double 0. Apart from this, I request you to please go refer the playlist where you will be finding more interesting and important videos on linear combinations, linear transformations, orthogonality of matrices, and also rank nullity theorem and linear dependency, independency, and other very important problems on matrices and other topics, which will be very useful for VTU and other examinations. Okay. Now coming back to this problem, see they are given A, B, C, D. So we have to express this A as a linear combination of B, C and D. So first, it's very simple, as you know, we will write a linear combination as, so we will write a linear combination as, say, A is equal to, see we have B, C, D, simple. So it will be, I will take X, Y, Z, you can take U, V, W, whatever, I will take as say X into B plus say Y into C plus Z into D. Okay, so we have the beautiful linear combination here. Now let's put the values. That implies we have, what is A? A is 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2 equals X into, what's B? 1, 1, 0 minus 1. Done. Next, plus Y into, so what's C? It's 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. And lastly, plus Z into, we have D as 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Fine. Simple problem. The solution also will be simple here. So we have written a linear combination. Now let's compare it. We can write here as, that implies now, see, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2 equals, if let's take it inside now, better. Okay, this will be x 0 minus x plus this will be y minus y 0 plus take z inside, this will be z minus z 0 0. Okay, you can solve directly, but I am showing step by step. Now this also implies 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2 equals, see now, all square matrices, you can easily add them. So this will be now, these are all basics, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Then we have x plus y plus x plus y minus z, right, and lastly this is 0 0 only, this is minus x minus y and rest all things, this will be 0 minus y, this is only minus y, right, add all these things, 0 minus y 0 minus y, and lastly this is minus x 0 0, so it is always minus x. That's all. Beautiful. Now, if you compare both the LHS and RHS, we can write this as, that implies x plus y plus z equals 3, then x plus y minus z equals minus 1, and here see minus y equals 1 and minus x equals minus 2. That's what we have here. Now from this, see, this is a damn simple solution. Directly you have the solution here. See, minus x equals minus 2. It implies now from here we have x equals 2. Done. So we have one value, x is equal to, okay, I write it, x is equal to. Next, minus y is equal to 1. So what's y is equal to? Minus 1. Now you can put in any of this, either x plus y plus z is equal to 3 or x plus y minus z is equal to minus 1 to find the remaining value of the variable z. So we'll put in first now. That implies x plus y plus z is equal to 3, means a very simple solution here. See, that means we have, what is x? 2 minus 1 plus z equals 3. That means z is equal to 2. That's it. That means we have, therefore, that implies x equals 2, y equals -1 and z is equal to 2. That's all we have here. Please underline these solutions. Therefore, we can express the matrix A as a linear combination of, that is, we can write the linear combination is A equals, what is x? 2b. What is y? -1 minus c. What is that? 2d plus 2d. That's all. A very, very beautiful answer. That's the solution. See how easy it is. I hope you clearly understood the solutions. So please take other problems from other textbook and try solving such questions. The more you solve and more correct answer you get, the more and more you become confident. And again I repeat, practice is the main ingredient. Your confidence increases only when your pen moves. So please do that. So that's all for today's video. Next video I will come up with some more very, very interesting and examination based problems. Till then, see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye.